So then we ask them, Mr. Klein, let's say they want to do exercise in Natalie's class, right? It's both a lot of very strong exercise. We ask them, okay, Mr. Klein, if doing this too, would it produce the outcome they're looking for, which is to lose weight? Would it produce that effect? Which of this outcome will produce the greatest effect? Let's say the client says, okay, I'm just going to exercise. As a coach, you can share your coach's observation. Hey, Mr. Klein, as you're sharing, I'm just observing that you're sharing this too, and you mentioned earlier that this too is actually more of output and more raising your metabolism. Will this too be more effective at helping you to get the outcome you want? Outcome they want. If the outcome they want is to raise their cardiovascular health, is a different story. But if it's to lose weight fast in, let's say, 1 month, which would be the best approach for you? A very simple approach is to consider diodes. A diode is basically this. Okay, so let me introduce you to a few friends. This friend is a diode friend, right? The Boolean equivalent is, so this is called AND gate. An AND gate has supply going in like this, electrical supply going in like this, and an output like this. So an X supply and a Y supply, and you get produce an F. So the formula is F is equals to a X times Y. So in the matrix, in the binary matrix, is that if X is 0, Y is 0, 0 times 0 equals to 0. X is 0, Y is 1, 0 times 1 is still 0. X is 1, Y is 0, still 0, 1 times 1 equals to 1. This is an AND gate. So in the coaching process, if I do exercise and I do diet, would that produce a greater impact? Or if I do exercise and don't do diet, or if I do diet and I don't do exercise? Because exercise times diet do not produce a linear outcome. It produces a different outcome compared to just doing one of them. So the outcome is different. So that's why it's a multiplication, right? An AND gate. An OR gate is X, Y, either or, plus. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 1. So some decision making is this. So for example, diet and IF. If I do diet, I don't do IF, I may produce a result. I do IF, I don't do diet, I may produce a result. I do both, I may produce the same result as well, because the change is not as great as I combine exercise and diet together. Why is that so? Because diet and IF is just about ensuring that your total caloric deficit is of a certain level. Exercise is to raise the metabolism so your caloric output will be greater. So caloric output, so okay, for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, caloric output, this caloric output is much higher. So here, this diet and IF, it's like an OR gate. So even if you do this too, the result is not as powerful as doing diet and exercise or IF and exercise. Do you see the difference? That's the AND gate and the OR gate of decision-making process in the coaching process.